Hi. Here we will solve a math challenge question of numbers. This channel explores mathematics and science used in our daily lives. The question is, A is 3, 3, 3, and so on, 3, 3, 3, where there are 666 digits of number 3. B is 6, 6, 6, and so on, 6, 6, 6, where there are 666 digits of number 6. Find the product of A and B, that is, A times B. B is 6, 6, 6, and so on, 6, 6, 6, where there are 666 digits of number 6, and we can express B as 6 times 10 to the 665, plus 6 times 10 to the 664, until, plus 6 times 10 to the 2, plus 6 times 10, and plus 6. Next, we can express each digit of 6 inside B as 3 times 2, for each 10 to the certain power. Then, A times B equals 9, 9, 9, and so on, 9, 9, 9 times 2, for 10 to the certain power, and so on. Where the number 9, 9, 9, and so on, 9, 9, 9 has 666 digits of number 9. Then, A times B equals 10 to the 666, minus 1, times 2, times 1, 1, 1, and so on, 1, 1, 1. Where there are 666 digits of number 1. Then, A times B equals 2, 2, 2, and so on, 2, 2, 2. 0, 0, 0, and so on, 0, 0, 0. Minus 2, 2, 2, and so on, 2, 2, 2. Where there are 666 digits of number 2, and 666 digits of number 0. Finally, A times B equals 2, 2, 2, and so on, 2, 2, 2, 1, 7, 7, 7, and so on, 7, 7, 7, 8. Where there are 665 digits of number 2, and 665 digits of number 7. This is the answer of A times B. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the thumb up button, the subscriber bell, share icon, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.